Located midway between Atlantic City and Wildwood, Ocean View Resort Campground is only 3 miles from the finest and safest beaches on the New Jersey shore. Nearby, you can enjoy championship golf courses, fine restaurants, boating, kayaking, saltwater fishing, bird sanctuaries, water parks, the Cape May Zoo, the Cape May Point Lighthouse, Wildwood's famous boardwalks, as well as Atlantic City's exciting casinos. And that's if you decide to leave, because inside Ocean View Resort, we have a swimming pool, the Buccaneer Bay splash pad for kids of all ages, a huge freshwater lake, three playgrounds, paddle boat rentals, the Lake Pavilion and Ocean View Cafe, where you can get food, snacks, and ice cream. A 4,000 square foot camp store, 24-hour security and gate-controlled access, clean modern restrooms with tile showers, 3 laundromats, two arcades, collect tickets and win prizes. Bring your pets, we're pet friendly. A completely stocked fishing pond, movies, events, and music. Come live the OVR life. At Ocean View Resort, life is simple again. Kids safely ride bikes. Friends are near. Carefree are your days. Just choose what you want to do when you want to do it. Start living your vacation dream at the shore. Memories are waiting to be made at Ocean View Resort.